Hey everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I had to make an intro, and let me just tell you this. I took a video from the time I started my 2-week quarantine till the time I started doing a garden, birthdays and bicycles and everything in between. And today I had to go to the doctor and I had some appointments, and I just don't really have anything else to film, so I thought I'm gonna throw all these videos together and make a vlog today, because it is Life of Jenn, so you can see what's going on in my life. And yeah, at the end I'll be back for an outro and a shout out. Love you guys. Hope you like it.
And I thought about it. I was like, wow, I really
He's being so sweet to her, and she's being such a butthole.
I honestly think
That's the bean bag, and she is covered up. She's just laying down there all snuggled up. There's a blanket on the bean bag. She's so cute. Hey. Are you sunbathing? Are you sunbathing? I wasn't even recording. I'm so retarded. You were? No. This is my life. First full day. Last night was the first night. And that's my door. My hallway's like 6 foot long, so I've been in here with the door shut all day and just kind of lonely. So they're gonna sit in there, I'm gonna sit in here, and we'll have dinner. I just took a shower. It was like the most exhausting thing I've done. So I just thought I would vlog my experience. So there we go. No fever this morning, so I am not in the bed. Look, that's so crazy. I just literally have everything in the bed with me, and that's just been my little spot over there. So I'm up. I'm just sitting in a regular chair right now in front of my TV at the end of the bed, because I can't lay anymore. So I'm gonna sit up, have some coffee. I feel okay, and then I start like talking or trying to do something, and it's like, whoo, fuck. So I'm just gonna sit and be quiet. I'm just gonna sit and be quiet. I thought about filming a video today, like taking a shower and, you know, but I honestly don't know how often I would have to stop to even do that. So probably better to just sit here in this chair and watch TV, even though I feel like I've watched everything there is to watch. So good times, good times. So I have had the greenhouse here in the house for the last little while. So we have watermelons here. Maybe I should open it. Hang on. Okay, so much better. So I have one little strawberry that's struggling to stay alive, and then all of these are watermelons, and those are cantaloupes, and these are like the big slicing tomatoes, and these are the little baby grape tomatoes. Basil, celery, and little baby bell peppers, like the little bitty ones. Let's see, thyme, jalapeno, and cilantro. And then today out there where that little teepee is, I planted my little cucumbers in there, and they will grow up on the little thing around it. Sorry. Yeah, you see the little thing around it. I'll go out there later and show you guys. But Maggie's still building boxes to put the other stuff in. And she finished the deck and the little fire pits out there and everything. So moving along nicely out here. Okay, so Mason is learning how to drive the riding lawnmower so he can mow the yard for a little bit of money this summer, and this is him learning. Hey, puppy. He's got to slow down. Slow down. I went even slower than that.
Well, he kind of already knows how to run the thing because he's operated the bobcat before, so he kind of understands that part of it.
Little Lazarus, our little puppy, our newest little guy. It's kind of loud and it's kind of windy. Yeah, don't hit it. Go around on this side because you can judge it better. So Maggie built a deck out here because I bought her a fire pit for Christmas. So the fire pit is like this. And you put the little top on. And you can cook or roast marshmallows or whatever. It's extra hella windy outside today. Super sorry. She built this little place to sit, and then she's fixed these with wood. She's like the handiest person I know. And then she built this little teepee thing. And my cucumbers are kind of struggling because they went from inside the greenhouse to outside. But they're gonna be okay. They're gonna be okay. They're gonna be just fine. See, they're gonna be great. They're gonna live. They're gonna love it. So she has built boxes. That way I don't have to bend over and do any gardening. So this one has corn in it. And I believe this one does too. And then I did carrots in this one. And then our little snap peas are starting to sprout up. So that's what this bed is. And then we had 2 potato beds because we love potatoes. My strawberry bed, I'm glad they'll come back next year, but I really only have one that's kind of going to make it. And then I have one in the house. And then this one is like red onions, green onions, and yellow onions. So those are okay. And then I had moved the greenhouse outside to try to let it sit out here and adjust before I plant it, but they kind of all like laid down. So I took the greenhouse back in. I'm just gonna go from greenhouse to a nice warm day this weekend and plant them outside in their beds, and fingers crossed, because every seedling that I planted grew, which is a lot. And so I was gonna have like 20 something watermelon plants. So we hope that it keeps going. So I'm gonna get out of the wind because this sucks. I'm gonna go rent some Redbox movies. Yay!
Recording.
Do it. Give seafood good in there.
We'll let her sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Stephen. Happy birthday to
Imagine if we had done 20.
Yeah, that thing really would have been going.
Goodness.
Thank you.
Maggie made the cake. I just made the boxy.
You made the cake, Mag?
Yeah.
Thank you, Mag.
You're welcome. Love you. Of course she quits now. She was all up in the dog's neck piece. Rubbing her head and neck on his, and now she won't. That's great. Heifer. We got the Stranger Things special edition Netflix official merch. Schwinn bicycle for this guy for his birthday. But it came early and you can't keep nothing a secret. Cute little bike. It says Stranger Things Schwinn. It says Predator. My favorite part is this part. So good. Can't wait to see it all together. He's got his bicycle. Look at him. Love you, BMXer. And he's off. Let's see how fast the kid can go.
Where's the puppy?
He goes pretty fast. Right here.
That'll be.
Let's go from Concord. He's just northwest of Concord. And looking back into that, Ron's to the south of it. Let's find out a little bit more from Vaughn. What do you have? Does that look any different? Still same?
Still looks the same, but it's still
He's like petting you back.
rotating area in here. So it really does need to be washed. It's kind of over by the old Uchi area. So it's straight west meat, Travis, straight west meat. And we'll keep watching it, but it's easy to pick out because you can see where the
Okay, so there's been a lot of work that's been done. So we did that part there, the gravel, little solar lights, and that part we've planted some flowers. Excuse me, our Amazon orders here. So these are my seedlings from my garden. We had moved the greenhouse out one night. It was a little bit too chilly at night, so some of the stuff died. And then we're gonna go out here and see the big garden boxes and say hi to the dogs. Hey, hey, puppies! Hey, guys. Hi. Hi, guys. So this is a potato box. And this is a potato box. These are sugar snap peas. And then these will be the herbs. And then Maggie tried to put some lettuce in there. I don't know if that's going to make it. This is corn and that is corn. And we transplanted our watermelons and it looks like just these two are going to make it. But I got some more watermelon seeds, so that's going to happen. We got our pool up. Maggie put a cover for the pump. And she's going to build a deck. And then we'd have more bird feeders and flowers. And the pool is nicely filling up. We're going to go swimming this weekend. Yeet! So panoramic view of the garden. And then we planted some more. My cucumbers all died, but I got more seeds, so I'm going to plant them again. These are a different type of tomato, and they are sprouting up nicely. These are my carrots. And they're so cute when they come in, and they're growing in nicely down here. I just kind of like put the seeds in and I'm letting them grow. And then those are red onion, yellow onion, and green onion. Obviously they all have green onion tops. So good for soup. My strawberries did not make it, so I'm going to plant something else there. And then I have 3 watermelon plants over here of the ones that we transplanted that are going to make it. So I'll plant some more over here. We planted wild corn out there, but I'm not sure if it's going to make it. Oh, I mean, there's that. So I'm sorry if this video is like sideways and byways and tryways. It just is what it is. But Let's fix it. Here we go. If you were the first person to comment on my last video, you'll now be featured here. Thank you so much for watching, having your notification bell on, being subscribed, and being a part of my life. If you want to have next video shout out, then go ahead and be the first comment on this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Do good, be you are good. Bye.